Hello and welcome, as today is the 25th of November 2017. Hashtag crypto trading, everything you do within your own risk, own reward. And this is a quick little update, as I have mainly been transitioning into the buy low, sell high strategy that I've been talking about practically for like all of my trading at this point. And of course holding many key positions. BITTREX has been asked or talked about a little bit within comments, and yeah, I'm holding it, and I got to add it to the Litecoin exchange, as what I'm going to be doing is talking about just the different codes in which I'm playing, but I don't see VTC in here, so I got to find a way to get this onto a Litecoin exchange. But basically what I'm doing is moving it into 3 different exchanges: buy low, sell high, which means like traditional, buy whatever altcoins with Bitcoin, and then play sell orders. And I need to do this with such because I've moved some CANN from one exchange to another, and I want to trade this against the Bitcoin exchange. And the strategy in which that I talk about, there's going to be no difference in here, is trade them to 5 different orders at the exact same amount each, hoping you get some nice little pumps like you did back in here, and then you could just get sell order, sell order, sell order, then buy back, buy back, buy back, and rinse repeat kind of deal. One thing I like to do is sell at key positions, previous key highs. So here's a spot where the price action moved it up to 800. So therefore, nothing wrong with putting an order below there, but as price stands at 375 now, which to me, when you buy stuff like this, you buy in the band and you buy below it. So it's not a bad buy spot, I don't think, at this stage. But if you put a sell order in here, you're already doing better than 100%. Not by much, but enough where it's in that realm. One strategy is just buy now and sell everything there and then just try to get it back. Nothing wrong with that. But for me, I want to put 5 different sell orders in of equal proportions. But I want this to be my second sell order up about here. And then have someone somewhere around here above the 18 average of highs nicely, so that if there's ever a day, like say in here, maybe I can get the buy or the sell and then buy it back, as it within the day most likely would come back into the band. So that would be 2 sell orders. And then we would play the incremental game. If you sell, say, at around in the area of maybe 495, 500, at this stage, you're looking at 125 basis point increase. So that's close to like 40%. So it's worth doing, I think. For me, it is anyway. And then you have a move up to here, which would be, of course, better than double. But above that, you're going from, you could go to 1,000, but there's only a difference of about 20 or so percent from the 1,000 number. But still nothing wrong with such. 1,200 to me is 50% increase from the 800. It's a level that was resistance twice in here. Then you got previous high, and then around 1,600 or so. And if you break this level, that would be one more sell order to come. I could put 2 in here, maybe run around 12, one at 16, and then maybe 3,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 even. After all, if these things go, then they can really go. And yeah, I just got informed that I sold some Dash just right now. I sold it against Bitcoin. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. Which exchange do I want to see? I actually sold it on this one, on HitBTC. Nice pattern. Nice pattern. But with a lot of these coins, the altcoins are going up, so I'm glad I'm long in a whole bunch of them. But I just sold some here at this price. So where do I want to buy it back? Lower. Maybe back at this little previous area in here. That's around the first place that I would speculate. It gives you enough. I mean, with the codes like Dash, you're not going to get the same percentage gains like you would with CANN. But if you're selling at 74, buying back at like 60, the difference is still about 20%. So I'm able to buy back a little, about 12, 13% more than what I sold, which is what the play would be. I would assume that my next sell order would be coming in around here. I am not documenting this particular sale on any spreadsheet. The ones that I am documenting are the following. For Bitcoin, this is only some of the ones that I'm trading. DGB, and these numbers have not been updated for a while, so this is not correct information that I'm up 4% or I've gained 1.5% of a Bitcoin. EOS, GAS, Mana, Golden, PesetaCoin, QTUM, THC, TKS, UBQ, Wings, Zen, Core, Bitcoin Gold, POT, and what will now be CANN. In those areas that I was talking about. I trade with the Litecoin exchange, so all of these coins in here, and these numbers are updated as of 20 minutes ago or such, 30 minutes ago. These are the coins I'm trading against Litecoin, or with Litecoin. And they would be ABY with his ArtByte, ARC. I mean, these are just codes BK or B3 and the BK cat. I'm just see it, the volume's fine. I had a code I'm confident. I think I can just continuously play the game like a computer would, just buy low, sell high. I don't even need to really look at the charts, although I do, because I'm going to be just placing buy orders cheaper, much cheaper every time I sell, and so on and so forth. Trading CANN against Litecoin, GRS, Komodo, which I actually put 5 sell orders in, and I sold one of them. And I don't have to buy this originally with Litecoin. I can buy like whatever with Bitcoin and then just start selling it with Litecoin. That's actually what I commonly do with a lot of these, especially when I'm trying to get out of Bitcoin and accumulate Litecoin. Why do I want to buy these with Litecoin when I want Litecoin? And plus, generally speaking, it's better to buy with Bitcoin because the spreads are usually better. But I have no problem selling in any of these currencies. In fact, a lot of times I'd rather sell these codes that are rising in Litecoin rather than that of Bitcoin. But there's NAV, there's NEO, which is being traded against Bitcoin. I'm trading against Litecoin here. I think I'm trading against Ethereum. I'll show those in a second. NLC2, Omi's Go. And NLC2, the only reason I'm in this one is because I put a buy order in for like a bunch of them. If it goes down cheap, I want to buy. This one actually executed today, so I'm in this code. There are a few other codes I got buy orders in, and if it hits, it hits. But until it doesn't, then they're not on here. Omi's Go, Ormi, and Ormi is again just another code that I was like, yeah, let's give it a shot. PivX, Pillar, I got a good price on this morning. It's in there now. Smart Syncs, XBY, Monero, Verge, and ZEIT. I haven't made the Ethereum main code like this. I should do this in the next few days. But I have codes. I got to put NEO on here too, I think, because I don't see it on here. Still some work for me to do to get this going. But CVC, Dash, Ethereum Classic, Factom. Then we have Litecoin, RCN, Salt, Strat, Lumen, Monero, and Ripple. I am so far trading against the Ethereum exchange. So I'm going to be basically doing that, trading amongst the 3 exchanges, looking to be buying low and selling high, and just keep that going. I'm going to take a look at Litecoin in here, and I think I should be selling that soon too, because I got a sell order at like 99.99 kind of deal on the POLONIEX exchange against Bitcoin. And yeah, just keep on selling when this goes higher, buy it on the way back, do it on all the other exchanges. What I'm probably going to be doing now is I'm just moved to just write a few chapters, and I'm going to be doing such, talking about smaller exchanges and the arbitrage with The small ones, not BITTREX, not POLONIEX, and even in some cases, not even Cryptopia. And I'm even think not Bitfinex either. But playing the codes where there's a ghost town of participants compared to the big ones that I mentioned, and great different strategies can work very, very well. Of course, it takes a lot of work too, which is exactly why I don't mind revealing it, because I don't feel like doing it anymore. So I'll let you know how I was able to not destroy, but just profit on the smaller exchange from just miscellaneous codes like LUN and so on and so forth. All right, so thank you for tuning in to this video. Probably the last one for the day, and I'll be back again with the 2.5 minute warning. It'll be a little bit later on the weekends like it was today, especially on Sunday. So you can expect them to come on maybe the 10 a.m. Eastern hour on Saturdays and Sundays, as it's the days I can get up a little bit later compared to, say, Monday to Friday. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.